Myself, Ankush. I was assigned this task, this project actually, that was itinerary travel backend project by Often for the ST internship. So when I got the mail, I just show the requirements and understood like how I should go ahead. So I just started working, and first I made sure that I'm properly maintaining our folder structures. So I have this database, models, routers, schemas, seed, and below we have like I'm using Lambic for the data migration to the DB. So in the database configurations we have in models, we have like activity, hotel accommodation, hotel, itinerary day, itinerary, and transfer. So transfer we can understand by the name, and activity also we can understand by name. But hotel accommodation, hotel are separate. You might be figuring out like why it's here happening like this way. So the way I have made sure this thing is because I was thinking we should have this thing that if any particular hotel, that entity is not even there, then accommodation shouldn't be allowed to present for that particular hotel, because that particular hotel is not in our database. So we are not sure if that is working, operating, or like closed or something. So we don't want to have inconsistency in our DB, right? So that is why I thought of having it separate only. And the working, how it's gonna work, I will show you in the docs when I just start explaining the docs of ours, right? So I guess I can show you the docs to you, how docs is there, like this is our Swagger docs. And so yeah, we should have like hotels creation. So we have this hotel creation endpoint. And if I just see so hmm, some issue came up. So like yeah, this is like duplication error. Yep, yep. So if we see, we can have another ID because that's primary key here. So that's creating issue. Cool. So now we got the new hotel, and this is MCP recommend, which recommendation thing, which I will tell you just in the end after explanation of these things. So itineraries we have to get all the itineraries which we have in our DB right here, like itineraries. We can see that we have these itineraries with us, like with ID, title, number of nights, and start date to end date. And I have made sure that the number of nights are like the start and end date should be equal to the activities which are given. So I have this itinerary days which will be related to any particular itinerary and will be sitting inside that, not inside but will be referring to it. So when any body we are sending for the creation of itinerary, so if we see, so yeah, we got these itineraries with the help of this endpoint, and we can fetch any particular itinerary with the help of this thing. But the interesting and important thing is this is our post creation of itinerary. As we can see right here that we have title, number of nights, start date, end date. And yeah, I have made sure that like if we are giving start, end date, and the days as like 7 days, but inside the days, this is like any part is this particular object, right? This inside day, the days is array of objects. This particular object is nothing but itinerary day. That schema is this only. So day number, accommodation, transfers in that day, and activities on that day. So if we see, we can create this itinerary. And I guess yeah, so this is the thing which I was telling you. Like here we have some issue that naming like this in the DB we haven't stored the like hotel in this way, like it's as town, so that in the DB the correct name will be present. So but while creation of itinerary we might be putting, and we have like custom error that in the hotel ID 7. So we can see like which hotel ID 7. So we have like this town coming, and we are entering town. So I guess if we remove this thing, then it should create itinerary. Yeah, so can you just appreciate this thing? Like we got our new itinerary with us, with like 2 nights with Often in Phuket City, and this is having all the details present. So this is the creation of itineraries. So if I show you in the DB, so right now in itineraries we should have the new itineraries, that is 2 nights with Often. I guess this is previously created, so I can create a new itinerary just for the sake of new itinerary. So I guess this would be a unique one, and here everything is fine only. So we can see that. So I have a lot of things to work on, like when hotels are being entered. So we should check like if location is same as the entered location of the itinerary. So but due to time constraint and a lot of things to work upon, I first focused on at least having all the features, and that is why I missed some validations, but I have a lot of validations to work upon. So yeah, actually this is the recommendation thing, which in nights if we put like 3, so this will check if itinerary is 3 days itineraries, and you can see like 3 nights in Krabi. So we got this itinerary which have this 3 nights mention, not mentioned, but 3 days is there. If you even see that day number 1, day number 2, and day number 3, so 3 days. And what this destination which is there, and budget, activity types. So after having all these things only, and this exclude ID will help us to do not repetition of the recommendation, like we want to exclude any particular recommendation, so we can use this thing. Budget, $2 is like medium budget thing, and $3 will have like higher budget. So this is just you can say just a way. It's not like it's kind of important, but this I have encoded or something like $3 are coming up, so it will be like higher expensive budget trip or itinerary the user wants to check. So you can see like this itinerary is coming up on the basis of this, but if we have a single dollar, so $1 we can have just as basic one, but if you want to put like Delhi and let's suppose Jaipur in our itinerary. So if we see right now, I guess we don't have any itinerary related to that. So that's how I have worked on this project, and it was a really nice experience. I would say I have learned a lot of things while working. Yeah, due to time constraint, I was not able to put every everything which I have planned for this project. But yeah, till now I have worked on this only, and we can move forward if you want to discuss further. Thank you so much.